strange. It's like barely any fuel, but it's also barely any air.
Okay, increase the fuel bit.
Like 5.
That's cool. You can see 2 flames.
Yeah.
That's 10.
Actually, not a bad one.
I honestly think this would make a really good swirler. The general.
Oh,
Stop
stop.
it! Stop it!
Yeah. Stopped it?
Yeah. So why would it?
Okay, unload it completely. Let's turn up the air a bit.
Turn up there.
Yeah, turn up the air.
Is the gas off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, stop it. Yeah, I mean, close that. Let's vent it out.
Oh, I'm sorry.